Without a doubt, the most egregious mistake I see most men making with their training plans that is responsible for not allowing them to reach their true genetic potential is not taking their lower body dominant work serious enough or simply not doing it at all. This is especially true for guys over the age of 30 who start to see naturally declining levels of free testosterone. So, in today's video, I'm going to give you 5 good reasons why you need to rethink the whole half-assing your leg routines, along with a sample routine that will hopefully inspire you to train those all-important below-the-belt muscles. All right, reason number 1 to prioritize your leg training. When done right, it'll help mitigate many of the leading causes of hip, back, and knee pain. I know this might sound counterintuitive based on what the prevailing thought process is for people that don't know, but by bolstering the structural integrity of the muscles that support movement along your body's main joints, you'll insulate those joints, which will help greatly reduce the stress they encounter throughout the day. Reason number 2, lower body development, especially that focuses on improving single leg strength as well as extension of your ankles, knees, and hips, also known as triple extension, allows for improved athletic performance and overall ease of everyday tasks. For those of you like me who have active kids and want to be able to not just keep up with them, but have them see you as some type of superhuman specimen, this is a pretty good reason to start prioritizing your squats, cleans, deadlifts, swings, step-ups, and lunges. All right? Reason number 3, the stress that you place your body under with those prior mentioned lower body dominant exercises are shown to help naturally stimulate production of testosterone by as much as 20% more than if you didn't hit legs. And given the fact us men experience naturally declining free testosterone levels once we reach our 30s, the gains in production from doing lower body dominant movements are something you simply can't turn your back on. Reason number 4, the increased workload from leg dominant training helps get you and keep you leaner. Look, it's pretty simple. Your body has to exert more energy, which requires a greater expenditure of calories to execute many of the lower body dominant exercise that I talked to you about. On top of that, this greater degree of relative physical difficulty helps elevate your metabolic rate, which again burns more calories, not just while doing it, but at rest. So yeah, leg work keeps the fat off. And lastly, the 5th reason to stop half-assing your lower body work is that it builds the type of resolve, toughness, and overall character that you need as a man living in today's world. Let's face it, lower body workouts are typically the ones that lead you to ride the vomit comment. They're hard, they hurt, they leave you walking funny and having a hard time sitting on and getting off of the crapper. But it's the ability as men to be faced with a challenge and rise above it in the face of resistance that allows us to fortify the type of mental and physical strength and fortitude which results in personal triumphs. You don't typically get that with upper body dominant workouts, but you constantly get it with lower body dominant ones. So do yourself a favor, grab your balls and give it hell on leg day. Now, here's a sample workout that can hopefully start getting the ball moving in the right direction and have you prioritizing the gains you could be and should be getting from your lower body dominant work. Hey guys, thanks for checking out today's video. Hopefully it inspired you to help rethink your approach to leg training, get off your ass, and get after it moving forward. Now, if you enjoyed it and want an entire week's worth of fast and heavy-hitting, testosterone-producing workouts just like today's, then make sure you grab your free kettlebell strength cardio plan I've put together for you by visiting the link attached to either the image that you see right over there to the right or the pin link at the comment section down below. Like I said, it's yours for free, so to access it immediately, just click over there or down there, and you can put this valuable set of tools to use today to help you achieve your true genetic potential in the strength and muscularity department. Appreciate your time, guys. Have a good one. MANdler, out.